How to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to fix that issue, like not recording, no sound or voice notes not playing. So let's solve it step by step. So method number one is we can check out microphone permission. So hold WhatsApp and go to their info. And within info, we can just go over in the card for permissions. So tap on permissions. And once we tap on permissions, go ahead and select microphone and ensure this option is enabled. So go ahead and tap on allow. Without this, the voice messages won't work. Apart from that, we can also check the volume and then our audio output. So increase the media volume and make sure that the phone is not silent. You can try switching between speaker and earpiece because sometimes audio plays only through earpiece only. Another method we can do is we can restart our phone. So hold the power button for that and find the restart option and go ahead and tap on it. And once we restart it, that should also fix the temporary bugs. Also clear out the WhatsApp cache, hold it up, go to the info, and within info, we can go to the option called storage. So go ahead and scroll down to storage, and within there, tap on clear cache, and that should also do it. Don't tap on clear data unless necessary. And also update your WhatsApp application. So go to Play Store for that or App Store and go ahead and search for WhatsApp. And once we find WhatsApp application, we can just go over and update it if there is any kind of update available. Check that if your mic is blocked, or thirdly, you can try recording in another application as well. But that's it. These are probably the solutions we can follow for now in order to fix that issue. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for